Hi, grade 4. This video for grade 4 Qatari syllabus. In this video, I will make a brief on Unit 1 that we took it. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today, I will have a booklet explaining the first unit that we took it today. We have a brief about the vocab and the grammar that we took in Unit 1. Let's revise this lesson together. In this unit, we learned some vocab. Let's know it together. Here is we have wake up, ride the horse, have breakfast, lunch, dinner. So we know when I explained the lesson today, I said to you that have must be followed by the meals, like what? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Here is we have poor. The opposite of poor, it will be what? It will be here rich. This is the opposite of poor. The opposite of poor, it will be rich. Let's continue the rest of the vocab here. Here we have go to work, festival, take the train, parade, here is parade, here is parade, rain, Qatar and Qatari. Qatar is the country and Qatari is a nationality. Late, the United States of America, American is a nationality, and the United States of America is the country that this person comes from it. Okay, that this person comes from it. Here we say classmate. Here we have classmate. The United Kingdom, British. So the British, here we have Qatari, American, and British. All these called nationalities. National means the place that I come from it, and this and I belong to. So we say Qatari. Qatari means I'm from Qatar. When you say American, I'm from America. When I say British, I'm from the United Kingdom. When I say Moroccan, I'm from Morocco. Okay, Korea, I'm from Korea. I'm Korean. I'm Korean. China, I'm Chinese. So here is the nationalities. We have here American, British, Moroccan, Korean, and Chinese. This is called nationalities, and this is the state or the countries that we come from, like United Kingdom, here is Qatar, first of Qatar. The United States of America, this is the place, the United Kingdom, Morocco, Korea, China. All these called the countries that we come from and take a nationality of this country. Okay, let's continue the rest of the vocab here. Walk to school. Here we say you don't put a definite article before school. We say go to school without that. Okay, here we say have a class, arrive, apple pie, leave. Here is a verb. So here we have three verbs. We have arrive, we have leave, we have wait. All these called verbs. Apple pie, bake, start, give presents. Here is called the ordinal numbers. Here is the ordinal numbers. It will be here first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 20th, 21st, here is to say 21st, 22nd, 13th, 13th, here's 13th, and 31st. To say, don't say 31 here in ordinal numbers, we say 31st. Okay. Here is some phonics. Let's learn it together, which is like what? Chair. We say chair. This is the pronunciation of chair. Chair. Pitch. Kitchen. We have here cage. We have here chair, pitch, catch, and kitchen. This is the pronunciation of TS. Okay, we can look up in the dictionary of this symbol. Okay, another symbol. This symbol we can also look up in the dictionary. If you have a dictionary, you can look up and know how this symbol pronounced. Okay, let's pronounce together. Here is tooth and thin. Tooth and thin, this and that, this and that. There is sheep and fish, sheep and fish. I will repeat and repeat after me. Here is chair, peach, kitchen, catch, cat, kitchen, and catch. Here we have tooth, thin, this and that. We have sheep and fish, sheep and fish. In this unit, we talk about the simple tense, and we know the simple tense used to expressing habits and facts. Okay, here is habits. We say, I always go to school by bus. So here here we have a pronoun I. Pronoun I can take as like this. I, you, we, they don't take as like run here. He, she, it takes as like singular, like he, she, it takes runs, takes s, because it's singular. Plural don't take s, but singular takes s. Okay, like this. Here we say he goes, he mixes, he passes, he watches, he washes, and so on. We have some special cases in the in simple tense. We omit y and adding ies like this. We have here studies. We have here play the kids. We have here vowel, so can't omit y here. I will put s only to the verb. As we told you before, when I explained the unit, I tell you that the habit is 100% when we use always. When the habit don't happen, we say never. So always means the habit happened in 100%. Never means the habit can't happen. Okay, 0%. Okay, so we have here usually. This is the keywords of what? Of simple tense. Let's learn it together. Usually, always, sometimes, often, never, rarely, every, at the weekend, on Mondays. All these keywords of what? Of the simple tense. I would like to remember this. This is the present simple tense, and this is the keywords of simple tense. I will repeat again and repeat after me. Usually, always, sometimes, often, never, rarely, every, on Mondays, at the weekend. If we come in the exam, this can we see in the exam in do a show or in the or we can select. So we must know it when we have these keywords. So I know without thinking. This is called what? This is called the present simple tense. Without thinking. Okay. Let's go to another item here in this lesson. We use doesn't and don't. And as we told you before, that when we use doesn't cancel doesn't omit the s. When we say, I say doesn't go. So when we say here, some of you saying I put it in wrong way to know that is when we do it we take 0. Here when we say he doesn't go, so it will be what? It will be wrong and it will be 0. To remember you that we can't do this mistake. Okay, if we do this mistake, it's wrong. We can say doesn't go. So the when we use does in the negative form or in the question form, the verb must be in what? In the steam form. And this we talk later when we talk about the past simple tense. We know that when we use didn't, the verb must be in the steam form. Here we have in the present. When we use doesn't or does, we return the verb to the steam form as it is. Okay. So must know this case. Okay, let's continue the rest of the unit of the lesson. Here we say I play tennis every day. Here we say play is the statement form. Here a sentence. We have a negative form. I use don't. Here is we have don't play. So here we then can take s. So I would don't as the verb is in the steam already. We can't putting an s, but s we use in the singular form. So here this is the difference when I use the verb when I return the verb to the steam form. Let's go to another item here in this part, which is we use do and does in the affirmative form and in the negative form. Do you play tennis every day? It will be when I answer or reply in the positive form, I say yes I do, or in negative I say no I don't. Does he go to school by bus? Yes he does, or no he doesn't. Here we talk in this unit we talk about the clock and know how to know the clock or how to know the time. This part called what? Called past, and this too. Okay, as we know. Here the clock is classified into 5. It will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55, and 60. We have 60. We have 60 minutes in the hour. Okay. So here we say here is quarter past. Here is quarter to. This is the difference between quarter past and quarter to, like this. Here is we say 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock when the long arm on the 12. I say So I say it's 10 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock, it's any time o'clock. When I put when the long arm is on 6, it will be half past, okay? And we can say also another way, we say 2:30. It means half past also, okay? Let's continue the rest of rest of the unit. Here is the adverbs of frequency. Always means the habit in 100%, and never means the habit can't happen at all. Okay. Here we say make. Here we use this adverb frequency in making activities. Here is we say make it always always ice skates after school. Here is saying that the days that we do this activity, Sunday, Monday. So here is always means 100%. Tom sometimes I skate after school. So here sometimes means the activity can do as 100%. You can say sometimes means the habit I think 50%, 50%. Okay. Here we say usually. Here we have usually 60 or 50. I don't know, but happened in several times, not all the time. Here we say Kim usually I skate after school. So here we have how many times I skate? 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be here 4 times. Never means the habit can't be happened at all. Poppy never I skate after school. So here this habit can't happen in this time. Okay, in this way. So the always means the habit happened in 100%. Never habit can't happen at all. Okay. Here we say when we ask about the time, what can I use? What is the formula or what is the question that we use to expressing the time or to ask about the time? What time does the bus leave or arrive? So it will be here we have does, and I put the verb I would put S to the verb like this. It leaves or arrives at 9 o'clock in the morning. How long does it take to go to Dukhan? Dukhan, I think Dukhan or Dukhan. Yeah, I think Dukhan, not Dukhan. Okay, 1 hour. What is the date today? It's 15 September. I say here it's 50. So when we ask about when the teacher comes to the school, to your classroom and say, what if they did today? It's we say it's 15 September, for example. When is the Earth Day? So here we ask about what? Ask about time. It's on 22 April. Okay. Here we make a quick revise on Unit 1. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.